Hey guys, today I'm going to be blowing your mind, literally, with no exaggeration, and I'm going to show you how you can take a simple click, a simple few words that you put into ChatGPT, and it could literally take a design, create the design, and then post it on Printify for you. Okay, that's kind of insane. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I was doing some research and I said, what if we could fully automate the whole entire print-on-demand process from beginning to end, from idea to publishing? And it's actually possible, which is pretty mind-blowing. So I'm going to show you now. Now, before we begin, I'm going to show you essentially what you could do here and the future of where this tool is going to go. So I want to be clear. All you have to do is give ChatGPT an idea, and it will go ahead and put it on a Printify shirt. I'm also going to go ahead and show you how this example, this idea, can be blown up from a massive success standpoint and money standpoint by saving you literally hours upon hours upon hours and make you money. So I'll explain how this is all going to be towards the end, but let me show you how this actually works. So what you need here is you need ChatGPT 4 with the plugins enabled. If you don't have that, you could go ahead and access it. But literally, ChatGPT 4, and you want to look for two plugins, okay? Now, to go ahead and enable ChatGPT 4, real quick, you just click Open Sidebar, you click on your account. When you open up your account, you go to Settings and Beta, you go to Beta Features, and turn on Plugins, okay? Now, once that is all taken care of, and you enable your plugins, you're going to go over here to ChatGPT 4, and you have different plugins available. You need to have the Printify plugin enabled, and you also need to have VoxScript enabled. And VoxScript is pretty cool because VoxScript will, like I said before in other videos, do searching on Google for currently the most and the best used answer, okay, for whatever prompt it's needed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to communicate to GPT right here, right now, and I'm going to tell it to create something for me. I'm thinking of animals, and I'm specifically thinking of, let's say, an ocean, dolphin, sunset type image, okay? And I want it printed on a t-shirt. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to say, hello, GPT. All right, hello. I want you to create a bunch, or not even a bunch. Let's just go with one for now. I want you to create a sunset fish landscape picture and upload it to Printify on a t-shirt. But before you do so, let's go ahead and say before you do so, make sure to do research on the best prompt to use for this type of art. Okay, so now what it should be doing is the first thing it should be doing is it should have some sort of computational work, exactly, that is researching what kind of words or the best prompts for fish art landscape. And it's getting some different results, and it got some information. Once it gets that information, it's going to then go ahead and create some sort of art based on that. Now, because it's searching things from Google, it doesn't always fit my exact need, if that makes sense, right? So you could see here, if I read some of the code that it's going on here, it searched for certain information, and the first result it came up with was like 22 inspiring landscape prompts to spark your creativity, and then it kind of read the internet and searched things. Now, why do you need to have VoxScript on? VoxScript is a huge helper because, like I said, it's going on the internet and it's searching things for you, kind of like an agent, okay? And it's doing actual work for you. So it gets certain results, all right? And then what I'm going to do is here, if you read what it says, would you like to proceed with this prompt to generate the sunset fish landscape art for t-shirt on Printify? And I'm going to say, yes, okay? Now what it's going to do is it's literally going to communicate, the GPT is going to communicate with OpenAI's DALLE, and DALLE is going to create an actual image. And then that image is going to be posted on a Printify shirt through code. And all I have to do is click one button to publish it. if I wanted it to happen. So check this out. So right now it literally created the image. You could see here, it gave it the prompt, created the image, and boom, the image is done. Now, here's the thing. This is kind of where things, let's go ahead and I'm going to type in yes here. If I don't like the image, I could literally type in no, and it could recreate it for me. It could do anything I want. And it's going to, and this is for, demo purposes. You could literally see here, it's about to put it on a t-shirt, which is insane for the future here. And I'll explain why this is important. I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to explain why this is important. I will explain that right here, right now. Right now, you're seeing on the screen is the exact product on a t-shirt. And I can click a link that will open it up in my Printify store. Okay, and you could see here, we have the images or the mock-ups of the actual product. We have the front, we have the back, we have person 1, person 2, right? These are different mock-ups of the actual product, right? We can also offer the product in different colors, so navy, white, etc., which is pretty insane. Now, I want to go ahead and say something here, okay? This is where things become groundbreaking and mind-blowing, okay? The fact that you're watching this video first is a benefit because I'm going to throw up a picture on the screen, okay? This is the picture on the screen. This is a picture that DALLE, the exact same technology that just created this image, created. Now, this image is very different, and this image has a lot more context to it. Look at the image. The first thing it has is legible text, typography that is actually readable, right? It says, "I feel so empty inside." And you could see here there's an empty core of an avocado, right? And this avocado is sitting in therapy talking to a spoon. And the spoon is the actual thing that you use to core out the avocado. Think about how multidimensional the concept of this art is, right? On top of that, the actual art is not that bad, right? So you could see the hands of the avocado, you could see the sad face, you could see the chair, everything is clearly defined. This is a photo created, an image created by DALLE 3. Now, what you're looking at is currently DALLE 2 technology. And I have my premonition that when we used ideogram, that is a DALLE 3 software tool, I believe. And it's probably still being developed. It's been accessible for a number of months now to certain people. And if you applied, you probably have access to it by now. I personally never applied, so I didn't have access. I was too busy using Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, all these kind of Stable Diffusion type applications. But this is groundbreaking because if we put these two parts of a puzzle together, what can't you do with AI? Think about it. So with AI, I told it to do research, find the right keywords to create me a design about sunsets, fish, whatever. And with its limited technology using DALLE 2, it created that image for me, and it posted it on a t-shirt, and all I have to do is click one button to make this thing come to fruition, okay? And now you can see here, I've tested it with other designs, okay? We have sunsets, we have all kinds of things. The Printify GPT combination is so intelligent that based on the color of the actual image, it selects a certain color of the t-shirt. Notice in the other example, it was a navy color. These ones are white. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing here is that it actually completes this workflow just by me communicating to a board. The third thing is that when DALLE 3 comes out, and it will actually be very soon, because it's when they're releasing images like this, that means they're getting ready to wrap it up, okay? Once it comes out, right, this strategy is going to be unbreakable. This is going to be amazing. So many people are going to use it and prompt it all day to sit there and create art that is this advanced and this multidimensional in terms of concept, intellectual concept, and be able to put this on products, t-shirts. And if it could do this, with the combination of other applications, what can it not do? It could do so many things. With Canva, I can connect this to the Canva application and then tell Canva to remove the background automatically and then have it all posted on a t-shirt. So literally, guys, this is groundbreaking. This is some really big stuff. Now, I have nothing but positive things to say about this whole strategy, and you guys could actually start playing with it now and testing it out now. You could go ahead and use it now. You saw the strategy, you saw how it's done. With that being said, guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Okay? You saw the strategy connecting GPT to Printify and literally uploading t-shirts with basically no effort. I mean, this was no effort by any means. And I could always prompt a GPT to keep going, right? I could tell it to do more for me. And that's pretty amazing. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. And tell me what you think about this. All right? I'll see you soon. Peace.